Welcome back. Well, a change in the pattern on the way. Tropical moisture moving into Louisiana as we speak. A frontal system on the way. It all spells the chance of showers and thunderstorms. And oh, by the way, yeah, the remnant circulation of Rafael a little bit involved in this situation. Meanwhile, the tropics getting busier. So let's get over to the Key Wall, talk about it. First off, the ridge of high pressure that dominated our weather yesterday and much of the day today, pushing off to the east. And then the low-level clouds came in. We see the tropical moisture moving northward. This upper level trough producing snow back to the west and also drawing the moisture northward, and that's going to supply us with the frontal boundary as we get into about this time tomorrow night. Cool front will be crossing the area. You can see that snow back to the west. Close to home, we have mostly shower activity, light shower activity from Alabama on westward. And we take a look at the Doppler radars, regional Doppler radars. We are picking up on some shower activity scattered in nature across the area, and we get into Louisiana, Acadiana quad. Even though there's misty drizzle out there, those droplets are so fine. It's just like super 100% humidity when those showers move through. And here are more moderate showers showing up over toward the Donaldsonville area, Gonzales, and then heading toward Baton Rouge as we head into the evening hours. Meanwhile, we get into the tropics. You know, here we are in mid-November, and we're talking another storm in the same spot where we've seen a genesis of a number of storms in the northwestern Caribbean. This system's looking pretty good right here. This disturbance in the National Hurricane Center upping the odds to a 70% chance of development over the next 48 hours, 90% beyond that. So we'll be looking at a potential tropical cyclone, more than likely a tropical storm. If so, the name will be Sarah. And then if it becomes a hurricane, then it will possibly just kind of meander around. The steering currents down here are light, so we could have land interactions, a lot going on. If it survives that, maybe it emerges in the southern Gulf of Mexico. But here comes a big front that we have next Tuesday. That's going to push the system off to the east. I'm only showing 7 days out because even 7 days is pushing it with this. And here's the GFS model developing a major hurricane in the Caribbean and then moving it north into the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, and then a weakening system perhaps as it heads toward Florida. But I'd be paying attention to this one in Florida. No worries here in Louisiana. But we do have a severe weather threat for tomorrow. Primary threat, maybe an isolated storm that could produce damaging winds and/or an isolated tornado. But after I show you the model imagery, it's probably going to be manifest mainly over toward eastern Louisiana. But we can't count out these storms out. These are pretty healthy looking storms right at daybreak along the coast. Might have a few severe thunderstorm warnings going tomorrow morning. Action really mainly during the morning hours. You see this low pressure system's pretty weak, and there you see the storms really lining up farther to the east, and that low eventually weakens and pushes off. Here comes the front tomorrow night. That pushes on through with breezy, cooler conditions as we head toward Thursday morning. And look at this, Thursday afternoon. Temperatures struggle to reach the lower 70s. We'll be in the 50s for tomorrow night. As for precipitation totals, don't expect much back to the west. Scattered activity to the east. Most of us see a ½ inch or less, but there's going to be a few hot spots. Devil's always in the details. We can't tell you where that's going to happen, but you see a couple of 1 to 2 inch rain amounts, and those amounts will also continue off farther to the east as well. Temperature-wise, we're going to sit in the 60s, move into the lower 70s by daybreak tomorrow, and then tomorrow afternoon, upper 70s to near 80. Then the cooler air finally sweeps in. We see readings getting down into the upper 50s, mid-50s off to the north, and then struggling to reach the 70-degree mark on Thursday. And we have another front down the line going into next week. So 68 the low tonight. Misty drizzles out there. Some showers toward daybreak. Rain chance at about 50%, mainly Lafayette on eastward. And then tomorrow, it'll be a little bit of a stormy day, especially to start the day with showers and thunderstorms likely. A few storms on the hefty side, producing strong winds. Maybe a brief spin-up, tornado spin-up, but we can't promise that. Breezy and mild otherwise. Could be clearing late in the day. Not sure about that, but we could see some peaks of the sun, and then more clouds come in tomorrow evening. But it clears out completely for Thursday. Look at this weather going into the weekend. Highs in the 70s, lows in the 40s. And then going into next week, stronger front on the way next Tuesday. And following that, maybe the chilliest temperatures of this season, with highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s and lows maybe in the upper 30s to low to mid 40s. So some real cool weather on the way. Finally, it is about time. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little bit later on.